What's going on, cleaning fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best handheld vacuums in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these vacuums, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first handheld vacuum we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the Black & Decker Dustbuster handheld vacuum. Coming up next at vacuum number 4, we've got the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. Next up at number 3, we've got the Dyson V7 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Up next in our number 2 spot, we've got the Bissell Lightweight Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Shark WandVac Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Alright, cleaning fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which handheld vacuum you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out our next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.